What's up, guys? Was working on the remodeling of this 5 bedroom bungalow, which was purchased by my client here in Nigeria, but presently based in the UK. So my services was being employed to come up with a remodeling design for the structure. So I just decided to share with you guys the way I make presentation to my clients overseas using SketchUp for the presentation. So if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, quickly do so.
Hello, I'll be taking us on a quick walkthrough on the floor plan of our existing structure and also showing us the new innovations that will be coming on the structure. So we have this floor plan 1, this, and this other is floor plan 2. So this first floor plan, I just marked out the walls on red as the walls will be taken off the structure. So this is the entrance pouch, the whole of this area. As you can see my mouse cursor, the whole of this area is the entrance pouch. So we'll be taking off the walls at the boundary of the entrance porch. So, and also coming in, this area is our living room. This area here is our living room. We are taking off this partition wall to extend the length of our living room, and also coming to this bedroom. There are 2 bedrooms here and the bedrooms are not en suite, so we are taking off the whole of these walls on red. Now I'll go to the floor plan 2 to show us the new walls we'll be initiating on our site. So right now the walls on green are the new walls we'll be introducing to our to the site for remodeling. So after taking off all of these walls on red, so these are the new walls on green we'll be introducing for our remodeling. So I'll take us into the plan where I've initiated the necessary upgrade for our remodeling. So presently, let's see what we have here. So looking into this, this is our structure after all the new walls are being introduced. So I'll run us through this briefly. We'll have a walkthrough. So coming to this point, this is our new entrance after taking off the existing entrance. So these are our entrance will be. So now I'm just giving us a section cut through our plan. So coming in now, this point is our ante room. This is our ante room, and this is our visitors toilet. This area is our visitors toilet. So coming to this point now, this is our living room. We are accessing from the ante room from this point. Please just take note of my mouse cursor. From this point, this is our living room. So after taking off the wall, the initial wall was projecting to this point. It was around this area, then we knock it off. The initial wall was around this area, as you can see, but we knocked the wall off. So we extended it, adding part of the passage to the living room to give it a spacious living room. So coming down here, this is our dining area. So from our dining area, we have our kitchen here. This is our kitchen, our island table at the middle. So then we have our store. So then this is our sit out to our kitchen. This is the sit out to our kitchen. So moving further, coming back to the dining area, we have a lobby here. So from this lobby, it's leading us to another lobby on this spot. So on this lobby we have a lighting point here, a window to ventilate the house, so which is giving it a cross ventilation. If we can see from the dining area, because designing, we always make the house conducive for the occupant. So from here, from this lobby, this is our laundry. The whole of this area is our laundry. So after taking off the walls in on our existing floor plan, which are these walls, which is this red one, then introducing these green ones, is so the area here became our laundry, which is this now. Then we have another sit out here from our laundry. You can wash and easily access the backyard to go for your drying. So from there we have before, this room was attached to the structure, like the access was around this area, but since you requested for a BQ, it should be accessible through the compound. So I brought out the access to this bedroom, sharing same lobby with the laundry. So now this is what we have on the bedroom. This is our bedroom. This is what our bedroom looks like. So for the BQ, so then this is the closet. So this is the closet here. Then also this is our toilet, which is en suite. So we'll be moving back to the outer part of our structure. So coming back from it's loading because of the furniture templates that I've introduced on the modeling. So coming back to our anteroom, there's a straight passage here. So coming to the house, you don't need to go through the living room. If you have a visitor, they don't need to know when you are back or not. As the master of the house, you just access your lobby directly from the anteroom. So we have a lobby here. So this lobby is linking the master bedroom for the master. So this is the master bedroom here. You access it from the lobby after coming from your anteroom. So this is your master bedroom. So we have this. Then this is your wardrobe, the closet. So moving further, we have our bath space and our toilet, and our bath space. So all of these are en suite. So coming back to the lobby again, then we have what? Our room 1. We have two identical rooms here. Both rooms are identical. So, and both en suite. This is room 1. We are having this in room 1. You can have a clear view. Then also this is the toilet, so our room. Then also room 2. This is room 2. Yeah, this is room 2, and this is the toilet en suite. So with this brief explanation, this is what our structure will be looking like after the remodeling. So this is our structure after the remodeling. Still working on the landscape, but just want to give us a brief review so that we should know what we'll be expecting. from our structure after the remodeling. Thank you.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you can always receive all the notification of every video that will be dropping on this channel. Stay tuned. A lot of tutorial on architectural design are coming soon.